AdviceZone Online is USW's online student support system. It's one central place where you can access support from across the university with any issues you might have. To access AdviceZone Online, go to advicezone.southwales.ac.uk and log in using your usual USW student credentials. AdviceZone Online has a number of useful functions. You can ask a question and have it sent to the right team, book an appointment, consult FAQs, fill in forms, book events, or complete pathways. Pathways are structured workflows that offer step-by-step guidance or help you complete certain tasks, such as updating your personal details. Like any website, AdviceZone Online is available 24/7. Staff will respond within normal working hours. Let's look at a simple example of using AdviceZone Online to ask a question. Click the Questions button. This page shows a list of any previous questions asked. Click Submit a new question. This is where you give details of your question. Select the type of question. If you don't know, choose Other. Fill in the subject with something meaningful. Put the question details in here. Upload a photo or screenshot if it will help. It's not needed in this case. Click the Submit button. We're now back at the page listing all previous questions. This includes the new question we just submitted, with the status unanswered. The question is now in the system and has been assigned to a support team. When the team have replied, you'll get an email to your USW student email address asking you to come back to AdviceZone Online to see the answer. This was just a very brief introduction to AdviceZone Online. Don't be afraid to look around and submit questions if you have them. If you need more help with the system, contact the Advice Zone. Thanks.